Are you done with what you're doing? Are you done? Okay, welcome to today's class. This is Igbo class. Today we have a series of just few short sentences for us to learn. Please endeavor to repeat after me, or you can play it to get the right pronunciation. Thank you. Are you done with what you're doing? Imechago ife ị na-eme. Imechago. Are you done? Imechago. The next one is what? Why are you standing? Why are you standing? Kedu ife iji kwụrụ ọtọ? Kedu ife iji kwụrụ ọtọ? There is something I want you to note when you hear why. What? Kedu. So, kedu ife iji wee kwụrụ ọtọ? Why are you standing? Are you cooking? Are you cooking? Ị na-esi nri. Ị na-esi nri. Remember, food is nri or nni. So, one you can remember. Ị na-esi nri. What are you cooking? Kedu ife ị na-esi. Now, this word kedu is coming up again. Kedu ife ị na-esi. Kedu ife ị na-esi. What are you cooking? Ana m esi ji. Ana m esi ji. I am cooking yam or I'm boiling yam. Ana m esi ji. Remember, ji is yam. Ana m esi osikapa. Osikapa is rice. Ana m esi osikapa. Where is my money? Kedu ego m. Kedu ego m. Remember, kedu. Kedu ego m. Ego means money. Ego, money in Igbo. Ego, money. Kedu ego m. I'm sorry, I can't find it. You can't find my money? I can't find it. Afuhozimia. Afuhomia. Amomebod. Afuhomia. So you misplace it. Itufone. You misplace it. Itufugwe. Hope you know it's not only money you can misplace. You can misplace anything. Ofugo. Ofugo means I can't find it. It's lost. Ofugo. It's lost. Thank you. A quick recap. Imechago ife ị na-eme. What are you done with what you're doing? Why are you standing? Kedu ife iji kwụrụ ọtọ? Are you cooking? Ị na-esi nri. What are you cooking? Kedu ife ị na-esi. Where is my money? Kedu ego m. Afuhomia. I can't find it. Thank you. Help me to like and share. See you in my next class. Bye-bye.